Hi everyone. Welcome to English with BU. Today, we will practice listening and speaking skills. So, it helps to learn new vocabulary and expressions. Now, let's learn a new topic.
Our topic today is a magical library. Now, listen carefully. In a bustling city, there was an old library called the Magic Library. This library was special because it had books with magical powers and secrets that amazed people. One day, a girl named Maya found the Magic Library while she was exploring the city. She was curious about the stories she had heard and decided to go inside to see for herself. Inside the library, Maya saw many tall shelves filled with glossy books. One book caught her eye. It was glowing with a soft green light. Maya opened the book and suddenly found herself in a magical world full of dragons, fairies, and talking animals. She learned that a kingdom was under a curse and needed her help to break it. With the help of her new friends and the knowledge she gained from the magical books, Maya set out on a brave journey to save the kingdom. She faced challenges and obstacles but never gave up. Through her courage and determination, Maya was able to lift the curse and bring peace back to the kingdom. As Maya closed the book and returned to reality, she felt changed by her adventure. She now believed in the power of stories and the magic of imagination. The story of Maya and the Magic Library spread far and wide, inspiring others to discover the magic within themselves and the stories they read. Maya's tale became a symbol of bravery and hope, showing that with courage and belief, anything is possible.
Before we practice our speaking skills, let's learn some interesting vocabulary and expressions to improve your English.
Bustling describes a place or situation that is full of energetic activity and movement. Example: the bustling city streets were crowded, with people rushing to work. Shelves are flat, horizontal surfaces used for storing or displaying items. Example: the shelves are filled with books. Glossy is something so smooth and shiny. Example: she has wonderfully glossy lips. Obstacle is something that blocks you, making movement, progress, or action more difficult or impossible. Example: heavy traffic can be an obstacle to reaching your destination on time. Determination is the ability to continue trying to do something, although it is very difficult. Example: she has a lot of determination to achieve gold medal. Peace is freedom from war and violence, especially when people live and work together happily, without disagreements. Example: she's very good at keeping the peace within the family. Inspiring is encouraging or making you feel you want to do something. Example: she was an inspiring example to her followers. Now, it's time to practice speaking skill. Listen carefully and speak. In a bustling city. In a bustling city, there was an old library called the Magic Library. There was an old library called the Magic Library. This library was special. This library was special because it had books with magical powers and secrets that amazed people. Because it had books with magical powers and secrets that amazed people. One day, a girl named Maya found the Magic Library while she was exploring the city. Found the Magic Library while she was exploring the city. She was curious about the stories she had heard. She was curious about the stories she had heard and decided to go inside to see for herself. And decided to go inside to see for herself. And decided to go inside to see for herself. Inside the library. Inside the library. Maya saw many tall shelves filled with glossy books. Maya saw many tall shelves filled with glossy books. One book caught her eye. It was glowing with a soft green light. One book caught her eye. It was glowing with a soft green light. Maya opened the book and suddenly found herself. Maya opened the book and suddenly found herself in a magical world. In a magical world full of dragons, fairies, and talking animals. Full of dragons, fairies, and talking animals. She learned that a kingdom was under a curse. She learned that a kingdom was under a curse and needed her help to break it. And needed her help to break it. With the help of her new friends. With the help of her new friends and the knowledge she gained from the magical books. And the knowledge she gained from the magical books. Maya set out on a brave journey to save the kingdom. Maya set out on a brave journey to save the kingdom. She faced challenges and obstacles. She faced challenges and obstacles, but never gave up. But never gave up. Through her courage and determination. Through her courage and determination. Maya was able to lift the curse. Maya was able to lift the curse and bring peace back to the kingdom. And bring peace back to the kingdom. As Maya closed the book and returned to reality. As Maya closed the book and returned to reality. She felt changed by her adventure. She felt changed by her adventure. She now believed in the power of stories. She now believed in the power of stories and the magic of imagination. And the magic of imagination. The story of Maya. The story of Maya and the magic library spread far and wide. And the magic library spread far and wide. Inspiring others to discover the magic within themselves. Inspiring others to discover the magic within themselves. And the stories they read. And the stories they read. Maya's tale became a symbol of bravery and hope. Maya's tale became a symbol of bravery and hope. Showing that with courage and belief. Showing that with courage and belief. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Listen to the story carefully one more time. In a bustling city, there was an old library called the Magic Library. This library was special because it had books with magical powers and secrets that amazed people. One day, a girl named Maya found the Magic Library while she was exploring the city. She was curious about the stories she had heard and decided to go inside to see for herself. Inside the library, Maya saw many tall shelves filled with glossy books. One book caught her eye. It was glowing with a soft green light. Maya opened the book and suddenly found herself in a magical world full of dragons, fairies, and talking animals. She learned that a kingdom was under a curse and needed her help to break it. With the help of her new friends and the knowledge she gained from the magical books, Maya set out on a brave journey to save the kingdom. She faced challenges and obstacles but never gave up. Through her courage and determination, Maya was able to lift the curse and bring peace back to the kingdom. As Maya closed the book and returned to reality, she felt changed by her adventure. She now believed in the power of stories and the magic of imagination. The story of Maya and the Magic Library spread far and wide, inspiring others to discover the magic within themselves and the stories they read. Maya's tale became a symbol of bravery and hope, showing that with courage and belief, anything is possible. Great job today! Keep up the good work, and don't forget, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.